Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Orezi and I bring to you another detailed tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your false lashes. If you want to know how to apply your false lashes effortlessly, keep on watching. So guys, the basic tools we'll be needing to apply the false lashes are your scissors, tweezer. So guys, for the glue, I'm making use of the classic eyelash glue. Pair of lashes. Guys, looking at these lashes, it has something popping out from this angle and this angle. So before you apply your false lashes, you want to trim it. So using the scissors, I'm just going to cut out that part and cut out the edge. So guys, before you apply your false lashes, you want to make sure the length corresponds with your eyes. You want to make sure the lashes fit in with your eyes properly to avoid any disturbance in the course of your makeup or in the course of the day. So place your lashes on your eyes to check if it matches your eyes properly. So you want to give a bit of space from here to this place, okay? Then make sure it starts from here towards the end of the eyes, nothing more. If it extends outside your eyes, that is when the trimming comes in. So guys, you want to trim from the end part, okay, like so. Okay, before fixing the lashes. Okay, so to apply your glue, you want to focus on the lash band. Okay, that is where you place your glue. So after applying, you have to leave the lashes to get a bit dry, that is until it gets tacky. So to apply your lashes guys, you want to keep the lashes as close as possible to your natural lashes, so the demarcation won't be obvious and it will look like the lashes is growing directly out of your eyes. You want to place your lashes as close as possible to your natural lashes, okay? And you can as well go in with the glue and place it very close to your natural lashes, so when you place the false lashes, it will last all day, okay? So I'm going to apply it as close as possible to my natural lashes, okay? So with the lashes, you want to tilt your head upwards, look into your mirror, get a small mirror like this, something small like this, and look into the mirror, tilting your head upwards, then place the lashes. The reason why you have to tilt your head upwards, so you can see exactly where you want to place the lashes, okay? So place the lashes in the middle like so, then connect it from this other end, place it, connect it from this other end, and place it. Repeating the same thing on the other eye, okay? So using my glue, I'm going to place it as close as possible to my natural lashes like so, okay? So because I use the tweezer for the right eye, I'm going to show you how to apply the false lashes with your hand, just in case you don't have a tweezer, okay? So it's basically the same thing. Place it in the middle, tilting your head upwards, place it at the middle, connect this part as well as the end. So using my wet wipe, I'm just going to wet my hand and press both together. You want to keep going into the wipes before pressing. guys, that is that for eyelash application. So let me know if this tutorial was helpful, and let me know if right now you'll be able to fix your lashes. I made this especially for my subscribers that requested for eyelash tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel now, because I have other juicy content coming up. Okay, and let me know the kind of tutorial you all want to see, and I will film whatever you request for. Okay, just like a tutorial like this that was requested from my subscriber. Okay, and if you haven't seen my other tutorials, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Do to check them out. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so check those videos out, guys.